Today is one of those days I've really been looking forward to. My husband had traveled for work, and this was the day he was coming back home. So I wanted to prepare something special for him, something warm and comforting. A lot has been happening lately here in the homestead, and before he sees the small changes around the house in the homestead, I just wanted him to relax and feel welcomed. I like brining my chicken because it helps the chicken stay juicy and tender even when it cooks for hours. After adding the chicken, I covered it and let it sit for about 2 hours. If you have more time, you can even brine overnight. The flavor becomes so much better. My husband and I really enjoy good food. I'm not someone who eats a lot, but I enjoy meals made with love. I've always dreamt of these simple moments, being in my homestead, preparing food for my kids, waiting for my husband to get home. It's such a wholesome experience. And with him coming back today, I wanted his first meal to feel like home. Once the vegetables were done, it was time to prepare where everything will cook. We still don't have an oven yet, and this meal actually has a very traditional method of cooking. I'll show you that version one day, but today, because of time, we are using my shortcut method. So I heated the sand in our big sufuria until it was nice and hot. This creates an oven-like environment inside. Then I marinated the chicken with salt, paprika, black pepper, curry powder, saffron water, and some oil. I massaged everything in really well and left it to sit. While the chicken was marinating, I prepared the rice off camera. I fried onions, garlic, turmeric, paprika, black pepper, white pepper, and curry powder, then added the bell peppers and salt. After that, I added the rice and water and let it parboil for about 5 to 7 minutes. The reason I did this is because the senior I'm using to serve is the same one that will hold the rice and chicken while they cook. It's like serving the meal straight from our oven. After parboiling, I transferred the rice into the senior, then I placed our small coffee cups in the middle. Inside the cups, I added water, peppercorns, and bay leaves. The purpose of this is to create a steam inside the senior so the chicken doesn't dry out. The steam also helps balance the heat and gives the chicken a nice aroma from the inside. Once the cups were ready, I placed the marinated chickens on top, just the way you're seeing in the video. Then I covered everything with foil. Foil helps trap moisture so the chicken cooks evenly before it starts browning. If you prefer, you can cook without covering first to get color, then add foil later. What I did with mine, once the rice was fully cooked, I removed it and set it aside, then opened the foil for the chicken to fully cook and brown, then I returned the rice for everything now to warm up. I let everything cook for about 2.5 hours. By the time the food was ready, my husband had already arrived home. So the only thing left was for him to sit and enjoy his meal. And let me tell you, it came out so flavorful and so tender. I'll write the full recipe in the description box. This meal is called Chicken Mandi, something I enjoyed a lot growing up, perks of living in a place with a lot of Arab food influence. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like a more detailed version of this recipe, let me know down in the comments. Until next time, bye. We shall try again tomorrow.